As you can see, we got a big box here. You cannot see me. This box is so big. So we're gonna dig right into this because I've been waiting. I've had this package for maybe over 3 weeks, close to a month. So I am dying to get into this. So without further ado, let's get into this big bad boy. Okay, so a minute ago you couldn't see me, you could see me, who knows, I don't know. That was a big box. But to start it off with, super pumped, super excited. The Black Ranger. So I need one more Ranger, the Red Ranger. And Big Bad Toy Store just hit everybody with an email saying it was coming out in March. And, you know, that kind of sucked, but we were willing to wait. And then they hit us like 3 days or maybe even less than that. I'm not quite sure, but they hit us with another email saying we're not going to get it until pretty much next year because Hasbro ran out of toys, pretty much, because Hasbro ran out of toys. So they're redoing them, reissuing them, I guess maybe one more time. So whether or not we get the Red Ranger in this type of box, because I've already started collecting these boxes, as much as I don't like them, I've already started with them. So I need one more. So hopefully they give us at least the same box, because I don't need a window box now. Or I'll need a window box for all of them. My OCD will drive me crazy. And they better still give us the vest on the Red Ranger. They need to knock it off with that. That should have come with Tommy. Straight up, that should have come with Tommy. Okay, so we got the Black Ranger. So I'm not going to open this today. I am going to do another review opening this all by itself. So we got Zach. We got Zach. And now for the big reveal. And this box hasn't been opened yet. Like I said, I've had this for almost a month now. And I have not opened it. This is my first time opening it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Might have to cut the old mic on. Okay, so this is crazy. Like I said, this was not open. I've had this for a month. I didn't open it. This is my first time opening it. So we'll flip it. It's gonna be upside down for a minute. Wow. So Tommy Oliver becomes a White Ranger and rejoins the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, leading them into battle. Adjustable, fittable, display stand, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Lightning Collection. Oh, I didn't know that this was part of the Lightning Collection. That's pretty dope. Mighty Morphin White Ranger helmet. So there's the box, people. This looks absolutely great. Now I don't have a White Ranger right now. I just have Lord Draken and the Green Ranger. So I'm on the hunt for a White Ranger. But this is awesome. If this fits and goes on good, This is being worn for Halloween this year, I promise you that. Okay, so let's get me back into view. We got some big packages today. So we are going to open this one though, today. We are going to open this one. We should just... See, there's a dent in this lip already, which makes me believe somebody already opened this. Wow. This actually got some weight to it too. Wow. Then we got the stand. Ooh. Right off jump, I'm seeing a lot of scratches. Scratches on the visor. That's terrible. But, I mean, overall, just looking at it, this is crazy. Yeah, and it's just magnets. I wish they would have gave us the clips, made the clips real. Your head just goes in there, and it tightens, and it comes apart really easy, even on the top. But we are gonna try this. I got a hat in case it doesn't fit either. I think it might be too. I think we gotta adjust it. See, I can see out of it, but just doesn't feel like it's on. And it does feel a little tight on the head, for sure. Probably see my beard through it too. It just doesn't seem like it's going directly right down to my chin. And it is fogging up a little bit. You let me know how it looks. I mean, that looks incredible. That helmet. Didn't feel the greatest on the head, I'll tell you that. My head still feels like it's hurting from stuff digging into my head, but I'll get this stand set up. Mighty Morphin Power Ranger sticker on the front of it. Goes on like that. That looks great. What? Like I said, it is scratched up a lot. I don't know what that's about. So wow, what a great helmet. I am super happy with this. Like I said, it's got some scratches on it and on the visor and on the helmet itself, but like just stepping back and looking at this is crazy. I mean, my head's still hurting from some parts that were digging into it. I mean, it's not too wearable. Well, I'll have to figure out a way or something, but this is absolutely incredible. Like I said, I've been waiting a month for this. This was a Valentine's gift, so I've been waiting a while for it, but wow, that's incredible. To actually see like helmet size, like something they would have wore in the show. Unbelievable. And I have no idea how they wore these on their heads. I'll tell you that. They must have been a lot better. I will say that. But if it's your first time here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading more videos, and I'll be dropping a couple more videos at the end of the week, most likely. So until next time, I'll catch you on the next one.